All right, thank you, DJ. No time back to back. Let me drop this before I go. They say I should give this out. MTN subscribers, are you ready? Star 555 star. I intentionally said it. I so broke, you know, but I will not tell you. Sapa na your mate. Na Joko. Wait, show their face. Pass it there. Pass it their face, because na color we take they know the ones where we can pass. Better man know where they go. Cause na me, light they see my face when they show. They all know they show. Na small time, small boy go walk each other. Okay. He made mention of something about women and all that. Please appreciate women. They are the ones that made the world go round. Please appreciate them. Appreciate them. Please appreciate them. They made the world go round. But please, have you ever had a mindset of witnessing where an Igbo man asked a woman out? I believe a lady will always say yes because they wish to. We Igbo people, nothing concern us, we say with a long matter. Igbo man will just come to you. Yeah? Hey, Bafaki. Just tell me your name. You don't have time. Bullion, as you can see, my one works in bullion van. 10,000 containers in Aba, 10,000 on nature, 10,000 containers of wire. Are you with me? If the let's visit next week again, I'll be a guy in Dubai now. Who say we are? Now comedy they do, no take a pass now. Okay. Igbo people, I love them. They love business. An Igbo man wears shorts and is a billionaire. Yes or yes? Yoruba man, 3 upon 3, I got 0 naira. Yes or yes? We love cruise. But the thing be say, if you know say you won't buy a cricket, no buy inside shop, buy for road. God bless you. The Lord bless you. Now, my brother, I came into Akure, they said, Layo, you can't be putting on native at all time, put on gin. I said, me, where I want some money. Now they come say, go so place for Akure, you go see where they sell them. I reach there, the guy said, yellow, it's mommy now, I like this apple and I eba me like I come this side now. As I name the guy, he said, make I buy for outside. He said, oh, it's why I had now, come, I baby, we enter now, it's mommy now, you want the shop. As I enter, he just mentioned one thing, give me a up the generator. Jesus. There is one useless bulb waiting inside. The color now blue. Oh God. Blue. He called there. Igbo Kwenu. They call they analyze Okrika. Nka grade. Nka Okrika. Nka Akube. Nka bend down sedate. I can't say okay, which one they okay? Now my brother, according to your money. I can't say grade 8. I can't say this one 500 naira. I say sure. 500. I'll pick 4. You don't even go school. Say I pick 4, you say 1,000. How do you do that? No, my brother. I got rich house. I open gin. Now yellow be the color. Yellow. And you know there is difference between yellow from factory and yellow when they use dye. But the band here, you go they see black. You go not say now black be the real color. They come dye to yellow. My brother, I read. You know say they don't they collect receipt for that kind of market. So I know if you call the guy. I can't go back the following day. This guy don't forget my face. Can't they take me for new customer again? Yellow na, you walk it. My bad, Dekola. Corner. Yellow. I said, Oga, now your side that they call say you see alive. You see, now I call inside the jare. As I want enter, as I want say, I said, leave it flying. Leave it flying. Oh yeah. come on, say my oga chop me odudu na eji come out on generator na. I say yeah, on generator. As a hot generator everywhere again, blue. We come on change the color blue. Bros, this is a blue chim matter for now.